In this video, I would like to explain about how to fix this kind of alert. So whenever you get such kind of alert, there are a couple of things you can do yourself from your home to fix such issues. So whenever you get such alert, they are generic alert. And first you need to check the service alert inside the service mode. When you check the service alert inside service mode, that will provide more detail. But for example, in this case, with these photos, it's easily we can find it out. It's issue with the front left wheel speed sensor, like this alert ESP-A033 and ESP-A025 also provide more detail. But for example, stability, traction control, tire pressure monitoring, they are generic alert and they will trigger. So first you need to check the service alert, and when you check the service alert, for example, here you see front left wheel speed sensor signal noise issue, and here you also see short to ground. And for example, in another case, here you can also see, like, here is the issue with the front left wheel speed sensor wrong sensor type. So you need to check such kind of service alert, that will provide more detail. And you can also go inside service mode, chassis and brake, and that will also provide more detail. For example, here you see front left wheel speed sensor looks in a red. So you need to check these kind of things. How to check that I will explain. And here you will find all information about this alert. So this is like signal noise issues. So there is a interface or disturbance to get correct wheel speed sensor reading from system, and then you will get this kind of alert. And what are the common reasons and causes to get such kind of issues, you will find here. So here you will find all information about wheel speed sensors and how to diagnose, test, fix, clear, everything. Just take some time, go through that, and you should be able to diagnose and test and fix and find it out what is the root cause. It will take some of your time, but you should be able to do yourself. No need to visit any workshop or something. It's really simple. And here you will find like how to fix it, everything. This is like a left wheel speed sensor issue, and here you will find particular that signal noise issues, and here you will find like what are the most common possible causes, how to fix it, everything for this alert. So what you need to do now, first download our free mobile application Digital EV Doctor, go inside diagnosis, self diagnosis, follow this instruction. With this instruction, you should be able to enable the service mode. When you enable the service mode, you can check the service alert, and when you check the service alert, search here your service alert. This mobile application provide more than thousands of Tesla alert clear with step-by-step instruction with how to diagnose, test, fix, clear, everything. It's totally free. In case if you need any support, you can contact us or just create one support ticket, add your card detail, issue and everything, and our expert will be happy to provide you remote diagnosis and support to clear Tesla alerts. So this is simple issue. You can do yourself, like self diagnosis, and you may able to fix yourself depending on your skills. So what you need to do now, download our free mobile application Digital EV Doctor and clear Tesla alerts from home. We are looking forward to help you. Thank you so much.